My name is Morne.
My name is Monya Müller.
I'm the head of business development here at Jendamark Automation.
I'm the business analyst of the business development team.
And I've been here for about a year in business development. Been with Jendamark for about a decade. Way in the beginning, I started off in the machine shop and worked my way through the ranks.
To expand our reach is the number one goal of why the business development team is there.
I do what I do because I love interacting with people, showing people what we can do as a company. I'm proud of what we do here at Jendamark. It's something I've been a part of for the last decade. It's rewarding to me. It's nice seeing a smile on somebody's face.
Everybody is very nice. So if you approach someone with a question, they will always try and teach you. Every day is not the same. Every day is a new day. Working on new platforms every single day, learning new things. It's just been exciting. And dealing with different customers, you can't have the same approach with every customer.
I think the challenge is the ever-evolving landscape, you want to call it that, because the trends change. It's adapting to trends, to people, to companies. It's getting to know your audience, right?
Entering new markets such as hydrogen, as well as have a lot of experience in the automotive industry. We are more focused on the off-road and mining industries at this stage, and it's very exciting.
Especially because we're this African company, right? And we're dealing with international customers, and a lot of times they're wild, and that sort of, I think it's a little bit of pride in there. I feel super proud of actually being part of what we're building here.
If you're open to learning new things, then the world becomes your oyster.
We're actually here to walk a path and see something through, right? When we start off with a new client or new customer, actually getting them to Jendamark, showing them what we can do, having the innovations team and our sales team actually conceptualize something out of nothing, 6 to 12 months down the line, seeing that actually roll out on our assembly floor. It's the glow in the guy's eyes here and actually getting that shipping off to global companies around the world. Jendamark wants to go that extra mile. We want to be more than just your supplier and just be there to sell something. Or any general questions, please get in touch with us. We're the Any general questions, we're the business development team at Jendamark. Please get in touch. I'll mess that up again. Okay, what is the question again? Let's go again. Hey guys, if you have any inquiries or any general questions, please get in touch with us. Here at Jendamark, we're the business development team.